Hello everyone, and welcome to my presentation on AI chatbot for customer service. I think we all experience the frustration of traditional customer service, long wait time, and repeating the same information over and over. So AI chatbot promise to change that reality. Let me walk you through what these chatbots are, the claims made about them, where they stand on the Gartner Hype Circle, the real benefits and challenge we see today, and my recommendation for business. So what are AI chatbots? You can think of it as a super employee who work around the clock. Unlike the older and ruler-based bots, today's AI chatbots use natural language to have flexible and helpful conversation with customers. And the initial around this technology came with some major promise. First, 24/7 instant service is promised of zero custom wait time and end time. Second, massive cost saving. It claims for replacing a human agent. Third, perfect personalization. That is a unique tailored experience for every single customer. And finally, flawless efficiency. It can handle thousands of chats at once with zero error. So this huge expectation proves the technology to what research from Gartner calls the peak of inflated expectation. But after this peak, many early adopters were disappointed by clockbots, which caused the technology to fall into the top of the disillusionment. Today, based on real deployments and maturing best practice, AI chatbots are clearly climbing the slope of enlightenment. Business now understand how to integrate them effectively, and the technology is demonstrating tangible value. But don't just take my word for it. Let's look at the evidence. So a perfect example in the global payment company, um, Klarna. In just 1 month, their new AI assistant handled 2.3 million conversations. That's an equivalent workload of 700 full-time agents. The company projects this will lead to $40 million annual profit improvements, and in terms of efficiency, the average conversation time was cut from 11 minutes down to just 2 minutes. This case clearly demonstrates the main advantage listed here: operational efficiency, significant cost saving, and improved data collection. However, the technology isn't a perfect solution. We have to be realistic about the challenge. First, there is a risk of the hallucination, where an AI model generates incorrect or meaningless information. Second, data privacy and security are critical because the chatbot handles sensitive custom data and must comply with a strict regulation. Finally, AI still lacks a true emotional touch. It struggles to match the empathy and the nuanced understanding that a skilled human agent provides, especially in sensitive or frustrating situations. So this brings us to our final verdict. Have chatbots lived up to the hype? The answer is yes, but not as a replacement for humans, as a powerful partner. This technology is ready for wide adoption, but it requires a wide strategy. My recommendations are threefold. First, start small by automating high volume, simple queries. Second, enhance, not replace. Use chatbot to free up your human teams for more complex and valuable custom interaction. And third, always maintain human involvement, ensuring custom can seamlessly connect to a person when needed. Thank you for listening. I hope this presentation helped you to see that AI chatbot is practical, valuable tools for model custom service. I look forward to your question and comments on Padlet.